What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Friday, February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. Today's video, we have Costco's clearance deals for the week. Let's get into it. First up from GreenMade, we have their 40-gallon storage bins right in front of us. The bins are green and the tops are red, the holiday colors. Now these do have a heavy-duty construction. They're NSF certified. Also, on the top of the covers, they do have padlock holes for that additional security, just in case you want to add a lock. These are priced at $9.97. Since the weekend is here, hopefully, friends, you can sit back, relax, take it easy, maybe put on a couple of my videos. The NordicTrack treadmill is up next. Here it is directly in front of us. We have the T-Series 9. Now, it does have a nice 10-inch touchscreen display. That treadmill is 20 by 60 inches, a 3.6 horsepower motor, a 12% incline, which is pretty nice. Also, this is NordicTrack's new Z-frame design. You can see it there from the side preview, that Z-frame design to the treadmill. Pretty nice. Now, this does come with NordicTrack's iFit. It's their pro membership. Pretty nice features on that as well. This is on clearance for $899.97. Not the greatest reviews when it comes to this treadmill, but for this price, you may want to roll the dice, take the gamble. And enough about that, friends. Let's just move along. We have the Power Cubes up next. Now, this is from Atomi. Pretty nice little device here. Now, what I like about these Power Cubes, you can charge up to 6 devices at once. Also has 3 AC ports and 3 USB ports. One USB port is a 12-watt port, which is nice. Now, this does come in a 2-pack, which is awesome. Now, you can grab that cube and plug it directly into the outlet, or it comes with a 5-foot extension cord. So if you do need that extra length, it comes with it as well, which is pretty cool. It's priced on clearance here for $29.97. Next up from Eufy, we have their Solo Cam S230. Now these are their wireless outdoor cameras that do come in a 3-pack. These are solar powered. They have a spotlight, 2K resolution, local storage, meaning there's no monthly fees. Now keep in mind, even though it says $209.99, it's an error. It's actually $199, and the deal is valid to the 18th of February. Same price at Costco.com. To the right, we have their other camera, the Solo Camera S3. Now this is their pan tilt outdoor camera here, priced at $119.99. Up next from Beats, we have the Solo 4, their wireless on-ear headphones with Apple Care Plus that's included in this set. Pretty nice looking headphones here. On clearance, we have the matte black and we also have the white available. If you head over to Costco.com, they have the black, they have the blue, and they also have the cloud pink available. So all three. Here at the warehouse, they have the white. Now this does have up to 50 hours of battery life. At Costco.com, it's priced at $99.99. Here at the warehouse, $99.97. And then directly behind me, we have some video games I did want to go over very quickly. So hang tight very quickly. We have the PS5, the new DualSense controller on clearance here at the warehouse. We have the Cosmic Red. I do want to get a close-up shot of that price tag so we can have a look at it. $49.97. To my right, we have the Madden 25, $19.97. And then to my left, we have the Nintendo Switch games available as well. We have the Lego Horizon, which is also on clearance at Costco.com for $29.97. We've gone over this a few times now. But new to the Nintendo Switch, all of a sudden I just saw the Zelda is now available. The Legend of Zelda, $29.97 on clearance as well. These Joy-Cons should go on clearance, so keep your eye out on that if you are in the market for new Joy-Cons. We also have the Super Mario Party that's going to be discontinued, $52.99. We can see that there. And just like that, in and out. I don't want to spend too much time on video games. We did cover that the past 2 or 3 Costco clearance videos. Around the corner, we have a nice router system I did want to show you. This one's from TP-Link, their Deco. This is their AXE 5300. It's their Wi-Fi 6E router system. It's a tri-band whole home mesh system, which I love. Covers up to 7,200 square feet, up to 200 devices. Now this is their new 6 Hertz band for the latest 6E devices. Also has parental controls, which I love. At Costco.com, it's available for $249.99. Here at the warehouse, it's on clearance for $199.97. If this does drop down to about $100, it's a definite buy in my book. Now, we went over this in yesterday's video. If you haven't had a chance to watch that, make sure you watch it at the end of this video. I'll leave a link. Now, this is the very popular Wuzu fan, a 5-speed globe fan. We went over this, 350 square feet of coverage. It's multi-oscillating, so it does move up and down and left and right. You can actually do all 4 functions at once. Has a remote control, 5 different speeds. This is a very popular fan. I love it. A lot of power for such a small fan. I actually own 3 of them, and I love it here. This is back at the warehouse. Not really a new product, but it's back in stock. It's priced at $37.99. It's available at Costco.com for $44.99. So I also have a couple of discontinued products I do want to show you very quickly. Now this one's from Seville. We have their expandable cabinet and pantry organizer. We can see there in the picture, the pots, the lids are nicely organized. In the bottom one, we have the glass food storage containers, the lids, everything is nice and organized. Now these dividers are removable. It also expands up to about 22 inches, 100% bamboo construction. Pretty nice product here. Now we can see the star in the top right corner, meaning this product will be discontinued at $19.99. And to my left, again from Seville, we have their bamboo stackable bin organizer. Now this does come in a 4-piece set. The dividers are removable. Now you don't have to stack these on top of each other. You can put them side by side separately. Now it does have a nice natural bamboo material. Now we can see the star in the top right corner on this unit as well, meaning these products are going to be discontinued here at Costco. This kind of gives us a heads up when these items may or may not go on clearance. So next time you head to the warehouse, if it's in a couple of weeks, keep your eyes out on this. Watch my channel. We're definitely going to see it drop on clearance. Another great product to keep your eyes out on, we have the Cat Cube here. Now this is our lithium 4-in-1 portable jump pack. So not only is it a jump starter, also has a built-in air compressor, which is pretty cool. It still has a hefty price tag, but it does go up to 120 PSI. A lot of mixed reviews on this one, kind of down the middle. 120 volt AC outlet, has a power station with USB ports and an AC port. $30 off the price, $99.99. We can see the star in the top right corner, meaning what? This product will be discontinued. We also have the cat ratchet straps as well. Now this product will also be discontinued. It's a great price. Even at the full price, it's a great price. $24.99 for this is a great deal. But I'm definitely guessing this product will go on clearance within the next week or two, almost guaranteed. We can see the star in the top right corner. Now these are items just to keep your eyes out on for. Next time you head to the warehouse, walk around, look for those discontinued deals, look for those 97s, those clearance products, and definitely look around for the manager specials, those 00s. And then here we have the frost blocker. This is your windshield cover. So every time it snows, it doesn't give you a good example of what it does, but every time it snows, what you want to do is you put this over your windshield, you wrap the straps around the mirror, and it keeps everything nice and snug. So when it snows, everything snows on the cover. That way it protects your windshield. And when you want to clean off your car, you unhook it from the mirror and you pull it off, and it cleans everything off immediately. $12.97 on clearance. They have a 2-pack available at Costco.com for $34.99. Now we do have the T-Series 9 from NordicTrack also on clearance as well. Another price drop at my warehouse. We can see the price has gone down tremendously. Now this does have a 24-pound flywheel, a dumbbell holder, water bottle holder, and a tablet holder. Now the reviews are pretty not the greatest. Head over to Costco.com, read the reviews on this. But at this price, it is tempting, $199.97. Also, a nice manager special here on the Echelon, the stair climber. Check it out, $299.97 on clearance, dropped down to $190. Pretty great price here. We also have the dumbbell set to my right, also on clearance as well. Now, Costco is liquidating all this gym equipment at your warehouse, at my warehouse, every warehouse. They need to bring in all the new patio furniture. So here we have it. We have some dumbbells. Now these go from 5 pounds all the way up to 30 pounds in 5-pound increments. Now this is a great price on clearance at $199.97. I do believe it's going to drop even more. A nice manager clearance. Here it is, $199.97. So for the weekend, I wanted to do another Amazon video and I wanted to do a Costco online clearance video. The issue I have is those videos don't usually perform well. So my solution was maybe I might start a second channel. So for those of you who want to watch online deals, shopping online, you can head over to that channel, my second channel. So that's what I was thinking. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Right in front of us, we have the Hello Kitty, the 5-pack of toothbrushes, great for the ages of 12 plus. Now this is priced at $6.97. Some of you may wonder if you carry at your warehouse. You can always grab that item number in the top left-hand corner, call Costco, see if they have it in stock at your warehouse. And now a couple of great deals from Salou Spa, a couple of great clearance deals. First, we have their Arctic Ice. This is their ice cold plunge bath. Now, pretty nice, only takes up about 5 minutes to set up. And it has that polar shield. So that means it has a weather defense system that prevents the liner from freezing or cracking. It's right up here on the top. It looks round, it looks circular, but it's an oval shape actually. It's on clearance here at the warehouse. It's priced at Costco.com at $1.99. Here at the warehouse, $49.97. If you are curious if your warehouse carries it, just grab that item number, call your local Costco to see if they have it in stock. And now right in front of me, we have the Cornado. We definitely have a couple of viewers that do want to pick this up at this price point, but unfortunately, I do think it's sold out in North Carolina and South Carolina. It's priced at $299.97, but keep in mind, I believe this is going to go on clearance at Costco.com. I will let you know very shortly. $299.97 at my warehouse, 71 by 71 by 28 inches, and the water capacity at 80% is 177 gallons. And then back on clearance, once again, we have the French macaroons. Here they are. Let's take a look at the back. 130 calories for 2 pieces. Now, per the package, we get 20 macaroons per container here, or per package, 16 grams of carbs, 13 grams of added sugar, and 3 grams of protein. Here it is. We get a 20 macaroons per package. Now, this is on clearance here at the warehouse, $5.97. Let's have a look at that price tag. Now, I almost forgot once again to show you the Fortessa Jupiter glasses, or the cereal bowls. I did show this a few times. I'm showing it again. It's still on clearance. These are great bowls to pick up if you are in the market for new bowls. They also have the glasses, but those glasses are very expensive. So these are the Fortessa cereal bowls. We do get a set of 6 here. Now, these are handcrafted. They look amazing. They're dishwasher safe, and they do have a nice beaded design. We have 2 different color variants here at the warehouse. We have the green and we have the clear. Even though the green looks a little bit smoked, I do prefer the clear. These are priced $12.97 at Costco.com. They're $26.99. So directly behind me from Tramontina, we have their 4-piece tri-ply clad saucepan set. Now, you don't actually get 4 pots, you only get 4 pieces. So you get 2 pots and then 2 lids. The bigger pot is a 4-quart, and then you get a 2-quart. So a 4-quart and a 2-quart. 1810 stainless steel, compatible with all cooktops, even induction. And this is also dishwasher and oven safe up to 500 degrees. Looks absolutely amazing on display here. Now, you don't get all 4 pieces, all 4 pots. You only get 2 pots with 2 lids. That's it. It's priced $29.97 on clearance. At Costco.com, it's still $49.99. Off to the next aisle, we have the Braun Series 9 on clearance. Let's have a quick look at that. Here it is, the Sport Plus. Now, this is their electric shaver with the clean and charge station, which is pretty nice. You can use this either wet or dry, either or. 60-minute shaving time with a 5-minute quick charge. Has 40,000 cut actions per minute, and it does come with 2 specialized trimmers. Looks amazing in person. This will look great in the bathroom. I do like the design of it, and I love that 5-minute quick charge. Pretty awesome. At Costco.com, it's priced $199, but it's out of stock. Here at the warehouse, it's on clearance. $149.97 is a great price. I do hope it's going to drop even further. Maybe $99.97 would be a great buy, but as of now, I'm going to hold on. We also have the Barrington electric dartboard with a cabinet still on clearance at my warehouse. Now, this does have soft tip darts, 18 gram in weight. Also has a built-in LED lights, which is cool. 4 different color lights you can choose from. Now, the finish on this is melamine. It looks great. The reviews are not bad. For this price point, you may want to consider it. It's also available at Costco.com for $139.99. Here at the warehouse, you can grab it for $79.97. Let's take a walk. Let's go find that brandy. We have the Napoleon brandy on manager special. Here it is right in front of us. Now, anytime you come to Costco, if you walk by something and you notice the price tag and it ends in a 00, we can see here $117 even. If you see anything like that, that's a manager special. If it ends in a 00, is a manager special at your particular warehouse. So right in front of us, we have the Napoleon brandy on manager special. Maybe at your warehouse, it may be on clearance, it may be on manager special, and the price will vary. So these miniature Zodiac bottles have French brandy in them. Amazing price here, $117 even. Now, hopefully everyone's enjoying their Friday night. Hopefully you're enjoying my video as well. That brandy would definitely come in handy right now. But let's move along, friends, because what's a Costco video without a throw blanket? Everyone knows Costco's the king of throw blankets. We have one right here, an artisan from Life Comfort. Now, this is their mixed yarn throw blanket, 60 by 70 inches, 100% polyester. Now, this is machine washable as well. Has a nice dual texture to it. I'm not a huge fan of it, but a lot of people do like this one. On clearance already, $9.97 here at the warehouse. You can also grab it on clearance at Costco.com for $12.97 if you do like it. And then to my right, we have another great example of a discontinued deal. We have the Berkshire Lux Loft blanket. To my right, we have the king size. To my left, we have the queen size. They're taking $5 off the king, bringing the price down to $14.99. For the queen, $12.99. We can see there's not much inventory left. This is a great price. People are buying it. It's almost out of inventory, we can see here. So the odds of this going on clearance is very slim. If anything, they may drop it down to a manager special when there's maybe 10 units left, maybe 5 units less. They'll drop it down to a manager special. We'll see that 00. But here, this deal is valid to the 16th. Most likely, it's going to be gone by then. And if you're still watching, friends, hang tight. We're almost done with the video. From Dr. Nassif, we have their Nassif MD skincare. Now, a lot of people love this. Has that Hydro Screen Serum. Now, this is known to have a deep hydration that a lot of people love. Keeps everything nice and smooth. On clearance for a 2-ounce bottle, $14.97. To my left, we have a 6-pack of the hemp lotion. This has been on clearance for quite some time. Still a little bit left at my warehouse. Here it is. Now, when this first got released, it sold out pretty quickly at Costco.com. Here it is at the warehouse, $9.97. And then to my left, just down the aisle, we have an essential brush set for the makeup. I do want to show you that from Japanese. Here it is, a 6-piece set. You can master any look with professional results using this set. This makes a great gift. If you have any loved ones who likes to do makeup, definitely pick this up. Makes an awesome gift. Check out that price, only $13.97. Also to my left, we have the Marc Jacobs, also available. Their fragrance, their perfume, here it is. This is priced $74.97. Another great buy if you do want to pick this one up as well. Alright, friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Follow me over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. I appreciate all the support. If you want to support me, just hit the thumbs up button. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. I'll see you soon, friends. Maybe Saturday or Sunday, I will post another video. I'll see you soon. Peace.